All right, guys, did lots of work, and Walter's allowed in here now, and I'm gonna just show you this wall for a sec, because there's a bunch of stuff that's piled up here, and this is going into storage. So this is all sorted. There's a box for hammers, a box for cords, a box for you name it. There's a box for each thing because we have 1,000 of each thing for some reason. But then I'm gonna turn around and show you what we did. Boom. There was nothing in here. Nothing at all. It was packed. Whatever you see that's left is just like extra. It's going to be moved today. This little corner here is all the stuff I found for the contractor that's actually usable. This waterproofing stuff, some tile putty or cement, and outlet plugs, and whatever else they need to replace in here that's old. And also there's some paint. I don't know if they can use the paint, but we'll see. And then let's come in here because this was the bigger of the two jobs. Walter's in here and he's not allowed in here because there's still some to do in here. And I'll show you once I'm in here. Hey, Walter, no. Okay. So in here, I think you remember how it was. It was fucked, like to the ceiling, filled. Here's some wine. All these are filled with wine. These got to move eventually. My dog wants in here. He's crying. But yeah, all under there was filled. And actually, there's a rat's nest or remnants of it down there. This whole corner was filled. Like, wow, this is a huge room. And now we can actually utilize it. And I mean, I'll show you in here. This was just filled to the brim. This weird closet that goes into scary places was filled to the brim. Yeah, Jamie was here yesterday and he really did not like this room, and I don't blame him. There's rat shit everywhere. It's gross, but I'm proud of him. He did good work. Oh, look at this. You think rats came in here or came in through here? Probably. This rat shit. So the goal for today is just to basically, because I did all this yesterday, but the goal for today is going to be cleaning up the rest in here, just removing some wood, sweeping all this rat shit, and then putting this into a room that's air conditioned, because this room currently is, but we are renovating, so it won't be eventually. Look at that. The whole concrete square just covered.